Good morning, class 5 students and parents. I hope you all are in good health. This is your maths class. In the previous class, we have learned multiplication, how to do multiplication, and also how to multiply a number with 0, 10, 100,000. In today's class, we will learn something new about multiplication. Let's start. Let us begin with a new method of finding product, that is called lattice multiplication method. Here we will draw a grid with the help of which we will be able to multiply large numbers. Let us start. 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number and 2-digit number. So 3 by 2 grid. Let me show how to draw. 1, 2 and 3. When you will do it in the notebook, you will draw it with the help of pencil and scale, and extra lines will be removed with the help of eraser. So we will write 5 up, 4 and 7, the first multiplicand. Okay, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier. Multiplier will be written here 2, 3. So make boxes for them, and then you will divide each box into 2 parts diagonally. So every box is divided into 2 parts. Why? Because we have 2-digit number. We will write here 2-digit number. No concept of carryovers. Okay. So this upper box will be, or upper part will be your tens place, lower part ones place. This is tens, this is ones. Tens and ones. Every box has got tens and ones place. Let us start with the first number, that is 2. 2 multiplier will multiply 7, 4 and 5. 2 7s are 14. 1 4 14. So 1 tens, 4 ones. 2 4s are 8. 8 is a 1-digit number, so we can write it as 0 8. 0 tens, 8 ones. 2 5s are 10. 1 0 10. So remember, for a 1-digit number you will place 0 at the tens place. Let us begin with the second multiplier 3. 3 7s are 21. 2 1 21. 3 4s are 12. 1 2 12. 3 5s are 15. 1 5 15. Correct? Now the time of addition. How to add? Just extend these lines, diagonal lines, with the dotted lines. You can do it with the help of your scale. Now what is this number in this area? What is the number? The only number is 1. In this area, just add it. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Do not write here 2-digit number. 15 means 5 here and 1 carry here. Remember, in this line we have to add 1 also as carry. So 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 2. And here only 1. So what is your answer? 12581. What is your answer? 12581. Let us also check it with the normal multiplication. 6 4 7 multiply by 2 3. 3 7s are 21. So 1 here, 2 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Then you can place here, because the tens place multiplier is starting, it will start with the tens place. So ones place will be written by 0 or across. So I am putting 0 here. 2 7s are 14. 14 4 carry 1. 2 7s are 14 carry 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 5s are 10. Now add it. 1 8. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 and here 1. See, the answer are matching. 12581, 12581. That means 547 multiplied by 23 gives us 12,581. This is how you will do lattice method. Let us go to next method. This is multiplication using expanded form. You must have done expanded form in the first chapter. Let us do it again. 347. How do you write the expanded form? 300 plus 40 plus 7. Keep this expanded form under bracket. What is this sign? Multiply. 72 is 70 plus 2. Again under the bracket. Now what will we do? We will take 70 plus 2 and multiply. See, these two number has to be multiplied by these series. So that means 70 first multiply this series, 300 plus 40 plus 7, and what is the sign? Plus. Okay, then the turn of 2 will multiply the whole series. What is the series? 300 plus 40 plus 7. Let us do it. Okay, this equals to will show the steps. Step number 1, step number 2. Now we are doing step number 3. Let us start. 70 multiply by 300 under bracket plus sign. This 70 will multiply 300, then multiply 40, and finally 7. Similarly, this 2 will multiply 300, then 40, then 7. Let us write. 70 will multiply 300, then the same 70 will multiply 40, then same 70 will multiply 7. After that, this 2 will multiply 300, 2 will multiply 40, 2 will multiply 7, and then we will add and get the answer. Let us start. Next step. 7 3s are 21, isn't it? And how many zeros are left? 1 2 3. So place 3 zeros. This is what we have learned in the yesterday's class. See, plus you just take the non-zero digit जो zero नहीं है, multiply them, write the answer and place the rest remaining zeros. 7 4s are 28. How many zeros left? 1 2. Place them at the end. 7 7s are 49. How many zero? 1. So I have placed plus. 2 3s are 6. 2 zeros. 2 4s are 8 and then a 0, and 2 7s are 14. Now all these numbers has to be added. One method is to write them in vertical form and then add. That will take your time. I will show you the shortcut. If you find it easier, then you can opt for it. Okay, otherwise you need to write whole numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers or addends and find the sum in your rough column. Otherwise what you do? The way I am doing. Start with the ones place. This is ones place 4. Now concentrate on the ones place of every number. 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 0 4. So only 4 is there, rest are 0. Now concentrate on tens place. 1 plus 8 9, no digit. 9 plus tens place, 9 plus 9 is 18. Tens place 0, so no effect. So far 18 8 carry 1. Now look at the 100 place. No 100 place, no 100 place. Yes, 6 plus our carry 7. This is also 100 place. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 100 place. 7 plus 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 and 0, that is 19. Carry 1. Now we have 1000 place. What is the 1000 place? The fourth digit from the right hand side. So we have 1 carry, remember. No 1000 place, no 1000 place. Yes, we have 1000 place. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. And here at the 10,000 place only one digit is there, and that will come 2. Okay, so the answer is 24,984. This question also will be checked with the help of normal multiplication. Okay, that is 347 multiplied by 72. Let us do it here. 347 72. 2 7s are 14, carry 1. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. 2 3s are 6, and in the ones place 0 or a cross. 7 7s are 49. 4 carry, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 32, 3 carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3 24. Let us add 4, 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 and 2. See, the answer is matching 24,984, and this is the same answer. That means our expanded multiplication is correct. Now I will show you the notebook work. Now check out how will you do this exercise in the copy. Mention the date classwork, mention exercise. It is on page number 39. Question number 4 is related to latest method. Let us do it. First 4 will multiply with 0. 4 zeros are 0. So both places, ones and tens will be filled by 0. 4 twos are 8. Right? So we were here. 4 ones are 4. 0, 4. 4 threes are 12. 1, 2. 8 zeros are 0. So both 0 in both places. 8 twos are 16. 1, 6. 8 ones are 8. 0, 8. 8 threes are 24. 2, 4. Now it's time to add. This is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. And here 1. So this is the answer. Let us check. 8 zeros are 0. 16. Carry 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 threes are 24. 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Let us add 0, 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. See, the answer is same. So we will write, so these numbers on multiplication will give us this. How will you read this? 1,49,760. Let us do one more question where we have 3 digits. So write them, make a grid, 4 by 3 grid, 4 columns and 5 vertical columns, vertical and horizontal columns. Okay, so start 1,876, 704. Let us start with 7. 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7, that is 0 7. So all will be 0 because 0 on multiplication gives 0 as a product. 4 6 are 24, 2 4 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, that is 0 4. It's time to add 4, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 9 plus 4, that is 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, so 0 and carry 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6, 12, rest are 0, carry 1 of 12, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 3 and carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So let us solve it with normal multiplication process. 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 3, 4 8s are, see, on finding multiplication, the product, we have received the same number 1320704, 1320704. So we have to write like this. Now moving to the next question. This is your multiplying using expanded form. This is question number 5. I have done 2 parts. Let me quickly explain to you. A part is 2409 into 62. So expanded. I have written the expanded form. Then this 60 will multiply this series of multiplication, right? And then 2 will multiply the same series this way. Now 60 will multiply 2000, then 400, then 9. I have shown this way. Then 2 will multiply 2409. 2 will multiply 2409. Now separately, now remember to put the brackets. We will multiply non-zero numbers. That means the numbers which the digits which are not 0 will be multiplied first. 6 2s are 12. So we will write 12 and then place the number of zeros left. 1 2 3 4. 4. Similarly, we will multiply all these numbers, we will get these numbers, and finally we will add. I have shown you the simplest form of addition. Just concentrate on the ones place, add them, then tens, then 100, 1000 and so on, and you will get the addition. Otherwise, if you find that direct addition difficult, you write all these addends here in the rough column and find the sum. That will just take 1 or 2 minutes. Now we have to check also whether the answer is correct. So we will find the product with the normal multiplication and check our answer matches. We will write, so these two multiplicand and multiplier gives this product. Moving to the next part, that I have done F part. Same way, I have written the question, then did expanded form 7001. How do you write an expansion? 7000 plus 1, 1428, 1428. Then 7000 will multiply these multiplication, this expansion series, okay. Then 1 will multiply this expansion series. 7000 multiplying this, 1 multiplying this. After that, 7000 1 by 1 multiply all these 4 numbers, see. And then 1, no need to show it, because on multiplying by 1 we get the same answer. So I have directly written, I didn't show 1 is multiplying 1000, 1 is multiplying 400. Rather directly I have written 1000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. See. After that, whatever the brackets, solve them first. 7000 multiplied by 1000, you can find now. I have told you how to multiply a number with 100,000, right? Just multiply the non-zero digit first. 7 ones are 7, write it down and place the number of zeros at the back side. You will get the answer. Similarly, find the sum. How will you find the sum? Follow that method, shortcut method. First add ones place of all the numbers, then tens place of all the numbers, and so on, move to the last or the highest place. After that, check also if the answer matches, that means you have done the expansion correctly. So finally write it down at the end, that on multiplication what product are you getting. So you just saw how to do the classwork. This is your homework. I have given only 2 parts rather than giving the rest of the parts. Exercise 4.1, question number 5 C and F part you will do. Question number 5 B, C part you will do in the copy. Then you will practice and understand the concept better. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.